Hi everyone, this is Patricia. Today I am going to walk you through Google Jamboard, an option for a remote whiteboard if you wanted to use it in your Google Meets with your students. The first thing you want to do is be logged into your Google account. Once there, you can go to your waffle and go through your Google Apps until you find your Jamboard icon. You would select this icon and it would open up a page similar to this. If you can't find Jamboard in your waffles there, you can simply just type in jamboard.google.com and it will take you to the same page. Once in, if it's your first time in, you will have no Jamboards on here, obviously, so it'll be blank. However, to create a new Jamboard, you're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and you are going to click on this orange plus sign. This will open up a brand new Jamboard for you. The first thing you want to do is up here at the top left-hand corner of your screen is give it a title. So you click on Untitled Jam and it'll open up a window like this and you type in whatever you'd like to call your Jamboard. Okay, so one important feature here is that you can create several different slides in one jam. So if you don't want to, if you're on one slide and you want to save it, you don't want to erase it, you simply click on the arrow here and go to the next frame and you've got a brand new slide. You can also change the background of your board if you wanted to. We're going to keep it white. And over on this left-hand side, you've got your tools, likely similar to some of the tools in some other whiteboards you may be using. So there's the pen tool, which allows you to freehand a drawing. So you can select the thickness of the pen and some different colors. You've got your eraser tool that acts as a simple eraser tool. You've also got a selection tool to move things around. And this whiteboard acts literally as a whiteboard similar to what you have in your classroom. The whiteboard in your classroom, you can't actually type on it. So this one as well, you can't actually physically type on this white background. What you can do though here is you have this option of adding sticky notes. So here's a sticky note. You can change the color of a sticky note. And you can enter whatever info you'd like. And there you have it. A sticky note is added to your whiteboard. You can add as many different sticky notes as you want. With your selection tool, you can move it around. You can make it bigger, smaller, and so forth. You also have the ability to add an image. You can add an image from the internet. You can do a Google search from your Google Drive or just from whatever's on your desktop or computer. I'm just gonna grab one from my device. And there you go. So now I've got an image there. Again, with my selection tool, I can move it around, make it big or small. And this last option is a laser pointer, and it acts just as a laser pointer would. You can use it as you're explaining things to your students. So that's a fun little feature. Okay, so once you've created a Jamboard, if you're wanting to interact at the same time with your students on the same Jamboard, you're going to have to share a link with them and give them the ability to edit it. To do this, you're going to go to Share. So you will get a window similar to this. If you select Get Link, here's your restrictions. Only people added can open with this link, so which means only the people that you've sent emails to can open the link, or you can restrict it to only people at New Heights that can open the link, or anyone with the link. So I've just added anyone with the link can open this link. Now you also have to come over here. Right now, anyone with the link can open it up and they can only view it. If I would like to give them access to edit it, I would select this little tiny triangle, and I'm now going to select editor. So there we go. Now anyone with the link can edit it. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to select done. And now what I could do is I can either copy or paste that link into an email and send it to my students, or if I'm in a Google Meet, I can paste that link in the chat section of Google Meet, and then any students in your Meet can open up that link and you can start working on this Jamboard together. Another feature up here, these three little dots, Jamboard will automatically save this file to your Google Drive, but in here you can also make a copy of it, you can save it as a frame, or you can download as a PDF. Also the ability to rename here if you wanted to. So that's just some extras. And that is basically an intro to using Google Jamboard.